Hi there, shooting this video again from my garden. Now, maybe a few of you have actually seen me promoting this, but I want to address a question that I get a lot is that, Jeremy, I can't recruit. Okay, so I want to show you an account which I actually set up myself, underneath myself, because when you join this business, it's about being positioned correctly. And if you're in the right team, then you're going to get what's called spillover and spill under. Okay, so let me just show you proof of that. Here I am on one of my accounts, and I'm going to log in. Okay, so you can see that it's actually my account. You're going to get this MetaMask, and it says sign in once you've connected everything up. I want to show you what I've got here. Okay, so this is the ID, so you can go and check that. 0 recruits. I haven't brought anybody in, and I've got $19. Now, what did I pay out to get that $19? Well, first off, I haven't spent any money on advertising or anything for this particular account, or done any promoting whatsoever for this particular account. As you can see, I've got no referrals. And so I opened this position, and I also opened this position. If you can see there, that's 0.025 of Ethereum, and that one is 0.025 of Ethereum. Okay, so let's add those up. That's obviously 0.05. Okay, so if I just copy that and go over to Google, and I'm going to put in here ETH to USD, and I'm going to put that amount in there. So that's actually $12.38. So if I come back to my calculator, I'm just going to cancel that. And what I'm going to do is go back into my account. And as you can see there, I've got $19. So let's get my calculator. So I put $19 is what I've made. And then I'm going to minus what that amount of Ethereum was, which is what I paid out. And obviously this is at today's rate, the time of making this video. Going to minus that. So that says I've got a profit of $6.62. So now if you had this account, you would have got your money back and you'd be in profit, and you're starting off at the very basics. Do you have to recruit to be in this business? No, you don't. I'm not going to guarantee that you're going to get any spillover or spill under. But if you're in the right team, and believe me, if you're in the team of mine and Paolo's, you're in the right team, because we're buying traffic. So there's a lot of spillover going to be coming, coming from above and below. So below this video, if you want to get started, you'll find a link. It's going to take you to this page. Enter your name and your email address, and I'll get you set up and show you how easy it is to get set up. You can be earning Ethereum daily if you're a person that goes out and does bring in some people. But if you don't want to bring in some people, like I showed you, I risked what? $13, $12 and something. So that's the risk you've really got. You buy one package. If you don't want to recruit, wait until you get spillover or spill under, and then once you got that a bit of money coming in, you'll get your money back out, and then it's just free money. So then you can just upgrade as you go. But again, that's a strategy that you want to do if you're not a recruiter, or if you don't want to risk too much. Then you can come in for as little as what, $13. And I've just shown you proof of that. So as I say, if you're interested in getting started, click the link below the video, enter your name, your email address. I'll show you how easy it is to get set up. And then what I also do for my team is I got marketing material. I've got landing pages, all the sales funnel and everything, the same funnel that you're about to go through if you sign up to this program. But it's absolutely amazing. It's all smart contracts. All the money comes directly into your Ethereum wallet. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.